English by Joy.
Jobs and professions. Doctor.
I am a doctor. I work in a hospital. I help sick people.
Vet.
I am a vet. I work at an animal clinic. I care for and treat sick and injured animals.
Lawyer. I am a lawyer. I work in an office. I provide legal advice and represent clients in court. Hairdresser.
I am a hairdresser. I work in a salon. I style and cut hair.
Chef.
I am a chef. I work in a restaurant. I create delicious meals.
Teacher.
I am a teacher. I work in a school. I educate and inspire students.
Nurse.
I am a nurse. I work in a hospital. I provide care and support to patients.
Postman.
I'm a postman. I work at the post office. I deliver letters and packages to people's homes.
Policeman.
I am a policeman. I work at the police station. I protect and serve the community.
Firefighter.
I am a firefighter. I work at the fire station. I respond to emergencies and save lives.
Farmer.
I am a farmer. I work on a farm. I grow crops and raise animals.
Actor.
I am an actor. I work in the entertainment industry. I perform in movies, TV shows, and theater productions.
Detective.
I am a detective. I work in law enforcement. I investigate crimes and find clues to solve cases.
Photographer.
I am a photographer. I work in the media and art industry. I take pictures of people, places, and events.
Crossing guard.
I am a crossing guard. I work near busy streets. I help children and people cross the road safely.
Conductor.
I am a conductor. I lead an orchestra. I guide musicians during performances.
Pilot.
I am a pilot. I fly airplanes. I take people to different places.
Attendant.
I am a flight attendant. I work on airplanes. I help and serve passengers.
Maid.
I am a maid. I work in a house. I clean and help with chores.
Builder.
I am a builder. I work on construction sites. I build walls and buildings.
Trash collector. I am a trash collector. I work in the city. I collect garbage from homes. Footballer.
I am a footballer. I play football. I train hard and play in matches.
Architect.
I am an architect. I design buildings. I make plans for construction.
Electrician.
I am an electrician. I fix wires and lights. I work in homes and buildings.
Diver.
I'm a diver. I swim underwater. I explore or work in the sea.
Astronaut.
I am an astronaut. I travel to space. I work on space missions.
Waiter.
I am a waiter. I work in a restaurant. I serve food and drinks.
Fisherman.
I am a fisherman. I catch fish. I work on rivers or at sea.
Painter.
I am a painter. I paint walls and buildings. I make places look nice.
Carpenter.
I am a carpenter. I work with wood. I make and fix furniture.
Dentist.
I am a dentist. I check teeth. I fix dental problems.
What other jobs do you know? Write in the comments section. Please don't forget to like and subscribe to support the channel.